So here's how you make corn on the cob in the microwave. I got this piece of corn here, shucks and everything. And what I like to try to do is see if it'll actually fit in the microwave. It really doesn't fit. So to make it fit, I'll just show you right here how I do it. And just cut off the end. Yeah, you can cut off a few of the leaves that are kind of, you know, in the way. And I usually take the end of it. The corn, the actual piece of corn starts about right here. This is all just the stem, I guess we'll call it. Go ahead and cut that off. Just to kind of give it a little extra room to move in the microwave. Now I think we're good. So, you know, basically we got a piece of corn, totally in the shuck. Put it in the microwave. Here's my little microwavable cover. Put it on top. Close it. 3 minutes. All right, the first 3 minutes is done. Remove the little microwavable cover. Turn the corn. Put the cover back on top. 3 more minutes. For a total of 6 minutes cooking time. Alrighty, that was 6 minutes total. And the corn is done. So let's go ahead and put it to a plate and I'll show you what it looks like. So there's the corn. And the way I do it is, you know, usually just kind of got to peel it off. It is pretty hot, so I would recommend holding it like this and just kind of peeling off the outside husk like such. And these just kind of peel off all together for the most part. You may have a few that kind of hang on. And you know, something like that. What I usually do is just take the pair of scissors and just kind of hold it with a mitt there. And you know, just kind of chop it off. Pretty much all stays together, so it doesn't really make a big mess. And there you go. A perfectly cooked ear of corn. And let's see what else we're going to do with it. So that's pretty much done. Go ahead and clean your area. Put the corn back on the little plate. And what I like to do with corn is just use a little salt, black pepper, and butter. So let's go ahead and get that ready. So I usually just take the butter and, you know, just kind of go all the way around with it. My mom and dad actually showed me how to do this with corn. I would have never guessed that it would cook so perfectly in its own husk in you know, 6 minutes in the microwave, but it truly does. It actually comes out perfect. And so we got a little butter on it. Go ahead and put a little black pepper on it. All right, now we're gonna add a little salt to it. However you want to do it with the salt. Put a little bit in my hand like this and just kind of put a little bit. Put a little bit. Put a little bit on all, you know, on all sides of it. And that's pretty much it. Got you a perfectly cooked piece of corn. 6 minutes in the microwave. Leave the shucks on it and everything, and it comes out perfect. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my channel.